Hi everyone, I'm Sajad, Pharm.D student and researcher from Cosmetognosy channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about some herbal treatments and also homemade remedies on split ends hair or trichoptilosis. At first, please do not forget to subscribe as always and also follow us on Twitter. In the previous video, we talked about some of the main causes that can lead to split ends hair, and also we figured out which factors can lead to this hair problem. Now here, let me answer one of the most important questions that you may have in your mind. Is there any treatment or cure on split ends hair or trichoptilosis? So, it depends on when you figure out you are getting experience with split ends hair or also trichoptilosis. So the sooner you figure out, the more powerful and also the more complete treatment you have. Now let's start with some homemade remedies. Oils, herbal oils, are the best choice for people who have split ends hair, also for people who have dry skin, dry hair. For example, olive oil or coconut oil. So beside them, we need a protein. Now let me here ask you a question. What is the source of a protein that all of us have in our home? Yes, the answer is the egg. So you can use 1 egg yolk with 2 or 3 spoons of olive oil with 1 or 2 spoons of honey. Mix them together carefully to have a mixture like a paste. So apply it on your hair and wrap your hair with something like plastic and then wash your hair carefully and properly. You can use it 2 or 3 times a week. Number 2, coconut oil. You can use coconut oil and also apply it on your hair 10 to 20 minutes and also wash your hair carefully after it. Coconut oil is useful for people who also have a dry skin and also who also have a dry hair. So the next important note, cutting off your split ends hair every 6 weeks. If you don't, your split ends gets worse. Yeah. So please draw your attention to this part of our video. I want to tell you about vitamin deficiency. We have 4 kinds of vitamins that can really affect on our hair and keep our hair healthy, keep our hair follicle healthy, What are these? Number 1, vitamin B7 or biotin, vitamin B3 or niacin, vitamin C and also vitamin D. These are the most important vitamins that our hair needs. But among them, number 1, vitamin B7 or biotin is the most important. You can find it in 2 options. You can find it in your food, or also you can find it in a drugstore. Buying a multivitamin from a drugstore. So you can have it in your food, for example, in some rice, in grains, in bean. So I recommend you to have this kind of food, for example, bean, grain, rice, on your manual menu, on your dairy menu. But if you are not sure that you can get these vitamins I told you from your food, you can buy a multivitamin from a drugstore. And then you can these vitamins in a recommended dose and also not using them more. The next important note is about how to choose and also how to use a shampoo or topical formulation. Especially for people who have split ends or also for people who are susceptible to experience split ends or trichoptilosis, they should use some shampoos that do not contain chemical agents, and also herbal shampoos are the best choice for them. You can apply shampoo on your scalp, on your scalp skin, not on your hair. Also wash your hair, clean your hair and touch your hair because it can damage your hair follicle and get the split ends worse. So apply shampoo on your scalp skin and let it calm down, and automatically it can cover your hair. So it's the best method. The last note is about using some conditioners. So after taking a shower and before using a heat dryer, you can use a conditioner to keep your hair. Thank you very much for watching us and watching this video. Please support us by subscribing us and also follow us on Twitter. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.